1, 2, 3, come on!
Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about the upgrades that you can do to your Ender 3. These items you can actually download from Thingiverse and install them onto your printer without any extra hardware, and they will improve your print quality. So let's talk about these upgrades. So the first thing that I want to talk about is this fan cover right here. Actually, there's a fan right below this cover, and what happens is sometimes the filament from your prints or some debris or some small screws can fall into that hole, and sometimes they can clog your fan, or worst case sometimes they can actually ruin your electronics. So you don't want anything to go into this compartment. So this is the first thing that I would suggest you to print out and install. So the next thing that I want to talk about is you can actually print out these small clips right here. And if you look right here, there's a ribbon cable that goes from your electrical compartment to your LCD. So usually this cable is just hanging around in this area, and what happens is sometimes it can come in the way of your bed while it's moving back and forth. So you want to install these clips right here to hold your ribbon cable in place, and it won't come in the way of your bed. So the next thing that I want to talk about is this LCD cover. Your printer does not come with the LCD cover. It's actually all the electronics are fully open, and you can actually touch it with your fingers, and sometimes if your fingers are wet or something, you can actually short a circuit. So to prevent that, you can actually print out this cover right here and install it, and you don't need any extra hardware, so that's a good thing. So you can install this right when you get your printer to make it safer. The next thing that I want to talk about is filament guide that I have printed recently. So like if you look up here, the filament that comes down from the spool is actually it's coming straight down, and there's a really sharp turn. So to prevent that, you can actually install this filament guide, and it will make sure that the filament is coming down smooth and there's no sharp turn, and it will improve your print quality. So to install this, it's very simple. It's not very hard. So I got this filament guide here, and I got this end clip. So what you want to do is you want to insert this like this, and you want to make sure that it's fully in. So that's how you actually connect this clip, and it just goes there. You install this right here. I just have to get up and do it. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to fix the problem. I was able to fix the problem. This is how it goes in. Okay, it's in now. So the filament will come down this way, and it will just come down in a good form. There won't be any sharp turns, and the filament will go straight into the extruder, and it will improve the print quality because the motor will not have to work hard. The next thing that I want to talk about is something optional. You don't have to do it. It is not something that will improve your print quality, but it can make your printer look fancy. So you can actually print out these small V-slot coverings. You have to print out many of these. So what you can do is you can actually insert this right into your extrusion groove, and it can make your printer look so much better. So it is something that you like. You can try it to yourself. If not, that's fine. Okay guys, so that's all I wanted to talk about in this video. I will see you in the next video. Until then, you guys have a good one. Bye.